a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another March Madness blend. So this blend request is coming from Jordani Dejayap, and I apologize if I am mispronouncing your name, but they wanted to see a blend of dark brown, medium brown, and black. So today we're doing the colors 30, 4, and 1B. And I actually did like the outcome of this blend. It's very neutral, something that I know a lot of my chocolate girls are looking for. So this is something that you can definitely rock. If you're a little afraid of trying color, this is a great go-to blend to try. It's very neutral, very subtle. I would rock this. I think if I did this, I would have added a little bit more of the color 30 just to lighten it up a little bit, give it that caramel effect. But yeah, I definitely like this. I'll let you guys watch until the end. Leave your comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow in my next March Madness blend. As always, I hope you guys be blessed. Stay safe. Stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.